not playing work with Richard or somewhere. Me say, a memory di bu nipa e wo Ghana ha no. It is not fit for animals in UK. What in America?
That statement now what kind and we say with you.
Yes. A memo abrochire e dua kra wo the right. Yen twebia keke wa abrochire o. Wo benya permit as no kwebia. Me wo video bi a wo bi park, obi a park car e wo no ani fie o. Ono ato ni fie. The green grass so. One e brand ticket. So we abuse the right of the green grass. So I prefer to be a tree in the UK than a human being in Ghana.
I see.
Even security personnel in this country are not safe because of security reasons. And then a police follow Yanka, police be a cause our bodyguard. In quantity 2 years na police for bulletproof Kromodibi. Now what to need $28 million. And they talk us the amount MPC. What are you telling me? Huh? Who MP at Obama were Kurasano? Who about that na cry a demand the car? 77 previous I would tell what pampa so. When I start speaking about Ghana, now me who say, share all these resources I work COVID-19 by. What can you do them?
Baby, hey, I no. Are we greedy as a nation?
Leaders are greedy. Politicians.
Is it the leaders or me no?
That be yeah greedy saying. And then you be something for my good roads, my good health care, my good education. Now my good money yenye. When you be sad here, say, honey greedy.
And see, I'm trying to say, oh, COVID-19 by no more say, oh, free water, free light, free say, yeah, so we didn't catch them so you pay free say, because at the end of the day, you say, I'm casting your bitch, I can't sway.
And yet, yeah.
Chia, but me patch say initial stage na omoka say oh ye be ma free say no and then sorry engine can say yempe
there be we deserve better as we citizens OBT US ye may be no wait $1,200 a month because of COVID otifi e be $2,000 a month $2,000 on tifi no offended because of COVID now one want 2 Jimmy be ma me answer ya there 2 Jimmy omonu ya we mo cheche we ye biane me wo videos here and penny for the money more so on channel. No matter me kotoko bag any and what gallon the mom girlfriends. Is that we COVID time. Videos in me wo opa me wo so ama. Sali egu mai. One want 2 Jimmy the abeg say why there. Me COVID time me chair bi and papa HM politicians. No videos now. Na no independence when you feed citizens. Common sense family. Yet ye no emu papa. Ye no emu papa. The non to so fantastic rice. Who the outer from Samuel to Jimmy? Politicians will deceive you in the name of free.
And you know, Sisiano, right now, what exactly? She say ye NBC free or ye MPP free one more. I remember open military and I say monarchical. And
yet military, yeah, go say you can say a system of rule. Democracy ain't you good for a developing country.
So, Rich, what is that?
Yeah, my young, system, no, said ya him for no anyway. But I did democracy at any problem. Constitution, ye, and walk on to Kuruntu. So what must say? Until loopholes to be almost loopholes, no. Afi, and the engineer what ya him for Sana, Bruni or the democracy by. Well, or share system, no. And what they are him for no coshase. Tia him for not to me, he be without what said DC4 and some MPs. Only not tia him for no one down. Said the government to me and for I back. Konanani we na wa dey letter ba say ye ba be tu go ru na waka so what you say ntime ye nya tumi a e wo sanke ma ahemfo na ne omubu man no to what you say nya ahemfo no we control the country through our chiefs ba say am ya to ahemfo ni na ya ma V8 ya ma V8 nti na nkasa ya ba be demonstration me throw religious leaders any ahemfo e come mo letter wo mfi ya wo ye measure they are part of the problem. Yebe kakra yebe youth ni nemu sampenyin for kro no kremon fo mpenyin fo e ko mo letter o mo efiye yebe demonstration no not development about Zongo. The Muslim leaders didn't mind us, but they will come and give excuse say oh we didn't hear early. They are part of the problem. I suffer ko mo letter I suffer efiye ke mo letter na nko mo na so aso dem mo members no mo nya aduma na mo members no come dem asisi a collection kra ma no na nko aka kire mo members oh asole ma you know, baby, be a solid. One person will pay you for Casana or my development. Moon, I'm from Munjim. So for now, my if you catch them, we Christopher, because so for no, I mean, Bible and Casal Kaya, be refit vessel, verse de me yaba o say nyama miensa me ba and me Bible verse de me yaba sisi ya Proverbs 30:22 enie tie Proverbs 30 ti aso dem na Bible no yan kan die nkyira mo mo ya rofa mesa ti aso na de me yem okroma no Proverbs 30 verse 22 enie wow wow I say verse 21 I say there are 4 things that the earth itself cannot tolerate. Okay. And number 4 assassin to mean stand this idea for no any a slave who becomes a king, a fool who has all he wants to eat, and so can tree say okwasia wa me nti usofo sabi oye kwasia ela wa me ntonwe ho nyansani badwemba ena onu didi me a odwene ne yan me sisi ametiwe me di me phone kire wo me countries a manfo na ye pa me chosa Abraham o intelligence no enye Ghana nyansa na gura bra UK bra Spain bra Australia bra Canada bra US for no market me a no mo ye na ma fa me akọ USA me bra US 1 month me kwese system to abetara wa me ka bi kura 2019 ka Sonata bi na to de che me yo bia me nye bi di why me nye dem pembe ntra but nya badwem ba ne de wo nye bi di a wo prese mi nua so nye bi ni bi ba wo sa wo sire gu me anopai me kire wo young girls amaye mobile man ya mo de ko to aduane di a wo ye mbehye me kire wo young girl me ade a chia me kire mo mi video mo wo ye mbehye adentia this is the thing na go hook up groups no and then next ni end